What's up, everybody? It's Next AI. We're talking about a future where your doctor might be a robot or your lawyer is a super smart algorithm. That's why I wanted to put together this video to give you a roadmap to not just survive, but thrive in this AI-powered future. We're diving deep into the essential skills you need to be on top of your game and the careers that are going to be absolute fire in this new landscape. Let's get started. Alright, so before we jump into specific skills, let's make sure we're all on the same page about what we actually mean when we say AI. We're talking about machines that can learn and make decisions like humans. First up, algorithms. Think of these as the brains of AI, sets of rules that tell the machine how to process information and make decisions. Then you've got neural networks, which are inspired by the human brain and allow AI to learn from massive amounts of data. Now, there are different ways AI learns. Supervised learning is like having a teacher. You feed the AI labeled data so it knows what's right and wrong. Unsupervised learning is more like letting the AI figure things out on its own, finding patterns in unlabeled data. And then you've got deep learning, which is like the super-powered version of neural networks. It's what powers things like facial recognition and self-driving cars. All right, let's move on to the next essential skill set: programming. Okay, so you've got the basics of AI down. Now it's time to get your hands dirty with some coding. We're talking about languages like Python, which is super versatile and beginner-friendly, R, known for its statistical prowess, and Java, a workhorse for building complex AI applications. Don't be intimidated if you're not a coding ninja just yet. There are tons of resources out there, from online tutorials to interactive coding platforms that'll have you writing code in no time. Platforms like LeetCode and HackerRank offer coding challenges that not only sharpen your skills, but also give you a taste of real-world problem solving. But beyond the practical aspects, learning to code is like learning a new language. It allows you to communicate with machines, to shape the digital world around you. So, embrace the challenge, start small, and celebrate those coding wins, no matter how small they may seem. All right, now that we've covered the importance of programming, let's move on to another crucial aspect of preparing for an AI future: data literacy. In the age of AI, data is the new gold. But it's not just about having data, it's about understanding it, extracting insights from it, and using it to make informed decisions. That's where data literacy comes in. Think of it like this: if AI is the engine, data is the fuel. So, what does it take to become data literate? Well, it starts with understanding the basics of data collection, analysis, and interpretation. Excel is a great starting point for organizing and manipulating data, while SQL lets you interact with databases, the treasure troves of the digital age. And when it comes to heavy-duty data crunching, Python libraries like Pandas and NumPy are your best friends. Data visualization tools like Tableau, Power BI, and even good old Matplotlib in Python can help you turn raw data into stunning visuals that tell a story. Whether you're presenting insights to stakeholders, building dashboards for decision makers, or simply trying to understand the world around you, data literacy is a skill that will serve you well in the years to come. Up next, we're going to talk about the importance of a solid foundation in mathematics. Okay, I know what you might be thinking, math. In the age of AI, isn't AI supposed to do all the math for us? And while it's true that AI can handle some seriously complex calculations, understanding the underlying mathematical principles is what sets apart the AI user from the AI innovator. A solid grasp of probability helps you understand how AI models make predictions, while statistics empowers you to analyze data and evaluate the performance of AI algorithms. Linear algebra is the backbone of many machine learning algorithms, and calculus helps you understand how AI systems learn and adapt over time. Start with the fundamentals. Break down complex concepts into smaller, more manageable chunks, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. There are tons of online resources from Khan Academy to MIT OpenCourseWare that offer free and engaging math lessons for all levels. The key is to cultivate a growth mindset, embrace the challenge, and enjoy the journey of expanding your mathematical horizons. Next up, we're going to be tackling problem solving and critical thinking. In a world increasingly shaped by AI, the ability to solve problems effectively is more valuable than ever. Why? Because AI at its core is a tool for solving problems. But the real magic happens when human ingenuity meets AI capabilities. So, how do you level up your problem-solving game? It starts with developing a structured approach. Think of it like a mental framework for tackling challenges. Whether it's breaking down a complex problem into smaller, more manageable parts, or using techniques like root cause analysis to identify the underlying issue, having a system in place can make all the difference. But problem solving isn't just about following a set of steps. It's about thinking critically, creatively, and strategically. And one of the best ways to sharpen those skills is by engaging in activities that challenge your mind. Puzzles, brain teasers, strategic games. These aren't just fun distractions. They're mental workouts that strengthen your cognitive muscles. The more you exercise your problem-solving abilities, the more equipped you'll be to tackle the challenges of an AI-driven world. Next, we'll be emphasizing the importance of domain knowledge. Alright, so we've talked about the importance of technical skills, but here's the thing. AI isn't just about algorithms and code. It's about using those tools to solve real-world problems in specific industries. That's where domain knowledge comes in. Whether you're passionate about healthcare, finance, transportation, or any other field, having a deep understanding of the industry's challenges and opportunities is crucial for applying AI effectively. So, how do you gain this valuable domain knowledge? Well, it starts with immersing yourself in the industry. Read industry publications, follow thought leaders on social media, attend conferences and webinars, and don't be afraid to reach out to experts in the field. The more you learn about the specific problems and opportunities within your chosen domain, the better equipped you'll be to develop AI solutions that make a real impact. By combining your technical skills with a deep understanding of your chosen industry, you'll be well positioned to thrive in the AI age. Let's move on to a very important topic: ethics and responsibility in AI. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into our lives, it's crucial to address the ethical implications of this powerful technology. Because here's the thing, AI is only as good as the data it's trained on and the intentions of its creators. One of the biggest challenges in AI is bias. If an AI system is trained on biased data, it will inevitably perpetuate and even amplify those biases, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. It's our responsibility to ensure that AI systems are trained on diverse and representative datasets, and that we're constantly monitoring for and mitigating bias in AI algorithms. Privacy is another major concern. As AI systems collect and analyze massive amounts of data, it's crucial to establish clear guidelines and safeguards to protect individual privacy. We need to be mindful of how data is being used, ensure transparency in data collection practices, and empower individuals with control over their own data. By staying informed about these issues, engaging in thoughtful discussions, and advocating for responsible AI practices, we can shape the future of AI in a way that benefits everyone. Finally, let's wrap up by talking about soft skills. Alright, so we've covered a lot of ground, from technical skills to ethical considerations. But here's the thing, in the age of AI, it's not just about what you know, it's about how you work with others, how you communicate your ideas, and how you adapt to a rapidly changing world. That's where soft skills come in. Communication is key. Being able to explain complex technical concepts in a clear and concise way is essential for collaborating with colleagues, securing funding for your projects, and getting buy-in from stakeholders. Collaboration is another crucial soft skill. AI projects often involve multidisciplinary teams, so being able to work effectively with individuals from diverse backgrounds is essential for success. And then there's adaptability. The field of AI is constantly evolving, so being able to learn new things quickly, embrace new technologies, and adapt to changing circumstances is crucial for staying ahead of the curve. And there you have it. We've covered the essential skills and careers that will be in high demand as AI continues to shape our world. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more content on AI, technology, and navigating the future. And hey, I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on AI? What excites you the most? What challenges do you foresee? Let's keep the conversation going in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.